In this video, I will show how to change Yahoo to Google in your Google Chrome. If I am searching, I see result in Google search. We'll show you how you can as well. First, click on three dots in top right and select last option, Settings. Click on Startup. You have a few options. I am using Continue where you left off, so when I open Chrome again, I get back old tabs I was using before. You can use Open a specific page or set of pages. Select this option, or you can just add New Page, type Google URL, and now when Chrome starts it will open Chrome. If these is Yahoo, click three dots beside it and select Remove. Then in Settings, you should click on Search Engine. As we can see, I have Google selected as my search engine. You need to click on Select Field and choose Google. I can select Yahoo and show you how search changes. In New tab, now my search result is show with Yahoo. I just go back and change back to Google, and now in New tab search we'll be using Google. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.